The Monkey and the Crocodile from A Pact with the Sun, Class 6. So dear students, this is very interesting story about friendship between the monkey and the crocodile. And trust and faith in friendship is the main theme of this story. So if one tries to cheat in friendship, then the bond of friendship is most likely to be broken forever. अगर कोई फ्रेंडशिप में चीटिंग करता है तो ऐसी फ्रेंडशिप को हमें लंबे समय तक नहीं रखना चाहिए. जैसे कि यहाँ पर जो मोंकी है और क्रोकोडाइल है वो बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, बट जब क्रोकोडाइल चीटिंग करता है तो मोंकी उसको वैसा ही आंसर देता है. Once a monkey lived alone in a tree on a river bank. The tree was laden with fruit. The monkey ate the fruit of his choice to his fill. The monkey was happy, but his happiness was not complete. He missed a friend to talk to and share the fruits with. One day, a crocodile happened to come there. The monkey offered him fruit to eat. The crocodile found the fruit delicious. He visited the monkey regularly and ate the fruits. Both of them became close friends. The crocodile ate the fruit himself. He also carried some of them for his wife too. The two friends talked about birds and animals. They talked about the villagers nearby and their difficulty in raising good crops for lack of rain. Means आसपास मतलब वो बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड्स बन चुके थे और वो हर बातें मतलब सब एक दूसरे से सब बातें शेयर करते थे. इवन जो आसपास के विलेजर्स थे उनके बारे में भी वो बातें करते थे कि कैसे बारिश ना होने की वजह से वो किन किन डिफ़िकल्टीज़ को फेस कर रहे हैं. One day, the crocodile's wife asked him about his friend. The crocodile told her that his friend was a nice monkey who sent fruits for her every day. The crocodile's wife expressed her desire to eat monkey's heart. She ordered him to bring the monkeys. The crocodile refused. This annoyed her much. Still, the crocodile was unwilling to invite his friend home. He loved the monkey much and did not want to see him killed. वो उसका बहुत अच्छा फ्रेंड था और वो अपने क्रोकोडाइल अपने फ्रेंड को मरता हुआ नहीं देख सकता. In the end, Crocodile gave way to his wife's wish. He reached the river bank. He told the monkey that his wife had invited him over a meal. The monkey accepted the invitation. He rode Crocodile's back and reached the middle of the river. There, the crocodile told the monkey that his wife would eat his heart. The monkey asked the crocodile to carry him back to bring his heart from the tree. The crocodile got trapped. He swam back and reached the river bank. The monkey jumped onto the tree. He bade crocodiles goodbye forever. The crocodile was sad on losing a friend. He shed real tears. So dear students, we should not deceive, we should not cheat our friends in friendship.